Another story. This is in Madhya Pradesh, in Bhopal. There was a massive controversy after this 90-degree railway overbridge was revealed in visuals. There you can see that sharp bend of this bridge, and this had stirred a controversy as many questioned the safety about this bridge as well, and officials claimed it was because of land constraints and metro station proximity that this very sharp 90-degree bridge was designed. But now it has been revealed that this bridge is indeed going to be redesigned. Let's go across to Niharika for more. And Niharika, after this entire controversy, now this bridge is going to be changed. Give us more details.
Yes, the overbridge where I am currently standing is a nationwide 90 degrees bridge. I will directly show you the visuals from the bridge, and I'll let you know that now this Bhopal's Ashbagh area bridge will be redesigned. The pavement of this flyover will be broken to create about 3 feet of additional turning space. Also, the railway has given permission to widen the bridge by 10 feet, which will widen it total by 4 feet. The contractor will construct it now upon his own expenses. The government will not put any kind of expenses in the redesigning process now. Necessary safety facilities like electric signals, speed breakers, railings and road signs will also be installed so that people can get aware that what kind of a turn it is. But now they are trying to get it a more smoother turn so that it cannot cause more accidents, or it cannot get to the main reason because of which accidents are happening. The visuals which you are seeing is the same 90-degree bridge. Now the flyover got administrative approval of the flyover got the administrative approval in 2018, but due to disagreement of the government, construction started in 2022. Design permission was also obtained from the railways. The construction work was done with the consent of Public Works Department. This is the reason that when they got it under investigation, it came out that it is a work of collective consensus, because of which the bridge is now.
All right, Niharika reporting from on top of that controversial bridge. One really wonders why it had to become a controversy for such sense to prevail. Niharika, give us more details regarding, what went into it. Was just because of this controversy that now finally it's being made more practical and expanded by 3 feet?
Absolutely, absolutely. This is because of the controversies. As and when the controversies get along with the things, and the pictures from the 90-degree bridge was coming across at that time, government also got this bridge inspected, and it has been made clear that its drawing, design and construction was the result of collective consensus. The flyover was made with the permission of government, but as and when NDTV telecasted this news on its priority, because it is a current topic in all over India, because this is the first kind of bridge which is being seen here. You can directly see the 90 degrees here. People will directly come from here and they can go this side, but as it is a 90 degrees bridge, this will cause a lot of destruction, and also people would get injured because of the traffic it will be causing. Now the thing is that they will be breaking all this pavement here. You can see the pavement. This will be broken out from both the sides. Also, the railway has given permission to construct on more than 10 feet, which will be collectively, this bridge will be getting across 4 feet this side and 4 feet that side, because of which now the bridge can also get widened. As you can see, I will directly show you the turn also. The turn is a very steep turn, and when people will come across, they will not be able to see the people, those who are coming from that side. That is the reason that now it will be redesigned, and government will not put any kind of expenses in this. The company which was constructing it, they will do it upon their own expenses. Yes.
All right, glad to know no public funds are being spent on improving this bridge or changing the design, which was really common sense not to have a 90-degree bridge. Thank you so much, Niharika, for getting us all those details and a look at the bridge.